Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here. In today's video, you're going to learn about the Ethernity project, about their amazing new collection of NFTs that is coming out tomorrow of Shaquille O'Neal, and how you can actually start making money from it. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so what is Ethernity and what is actually the amazing collection that is coming out tomorrow of Shaquille O'Neal named the areas of dominance? So first of all, what is Ethernity? So Ethernity is actually a groundbreaking authenticated NFT project with actually doing auctions of verified artworks that is actually featuring different celebrities and different famous people from different branches, okay? It can be from sports, it can be from different films, from gaming, tech, history, entertainment, and much, much more. They include artwork that is featuring Messi, Muhammad Ali, Pelé, Tony Hawk, the amazing skater, Nicky Romero, the amazing DJ, and much, much more. Actually, the beauty in this project is their amazing model. So first of all, it's artists that actually produce digital artwork. Okay, the artwork actually get authenticated by an icon, and then they actually create limited editions of the artwork that become available through auctions and sales. The beauty is that the winners of the auctions and buyers actually claim their NFTs, meaning that on the blockchain, actually it's written that they are the owners of this NFT, meaning that there isn't anyone else that owns this digital artwork. And actually from every transaction of the NFT, a portion of it goes to charity, as you can see in here, which makes this project actually beautiful, because when you have here a project that is of course that it's a business model, and there is also an amazing marketplace that, as you can see, they're featuring the project that we're going to talk a minute from now, that actually the collection of Shaquille O'Neal, but actually they have an amazing marketplace of different artwork, different NFTs that are not just trendy, okay? Those are things that actually going to be and can be used for the long term, because there are a lot of people, let's take Shaquille O'Neal for example, that 15-time All-Star of Hall of Fame, and actually when you are putting an artwork of an amazing persona that actually affected on the lives of a lot of people, whether it's in the mindset, whether it's in motivation, whether it's make them feel better, it's something that even time, okay, doesn't really matter. That's why it's for the long term, okay? Let's take, for example, that they have artwork of Muhammad Ali. So of course that now he's not here with us, but there are a lot of his videos and a lot of videos of him, a lot of pictures with different sentences and different parts of interviews that he said that actually affected people for the long term. And those artworks, those NFTs that you can actually purchase, those are not only pictures, as you can see. Part of them are artwork that are different videos. Now, as you all know, NFTs, it's any piece of data that you can store in the blockchain. So as you can see in here, those are not just pictures. Part of them are videos that are changing. Part of them can be audio files and much, much more. And the idea of NFT is that when you're purchasing an NFT, you are the owner. You have the only rights, okay? Exactly like you can hold a picture of the Mona Lisa, but the original artwork, when you have it, it's not the same. So exactly like that, NFTs, you are the only owner when you're purchasing one. Now, as you can see in here, if you will watch the video, you will see that actually there's actually a collection of Shaquille O'Neal that is partnered with the amazing artist named Justin Meller. And over the course of more than 19 years that Shaquille O'Neal played basketball, Shaquille actually partnered with Justin Meller to actually memorialize the areas of dominance in his life, okay, in Shaquille's career, okay? And he has a lot of rewards that he took part. He won in four champions titles. He is a very unique and inspiring persona, and that's why when you are going to get into to the auctions and getting, maybe if you want, by clicking the link below, you can actually sign up to have the chance to win the NFT and to take part of auctions, is actually because it's a project that is for the long term. So Shaquille, as you all know, there are a lot of different TikToks and different shorts and different videos and parts about him and about his amazing perspective of life, motivational speaking videos, and he is a persona and his personal brand actually growing and growing. And by taking part of this and actually purchasing one of his NFTs and actually holding it, I think that for the long term it can be amazing because his personal brand is just growing and growing. If you will hold it for the long term, you have a big chance of actually selling it in the future with a big profit, or actually bring it to your kids and it's going to be part of your legacy. The business model of the Ethernity is very, very simple. An artist produced a digital artwork of an icon. The icon actually gives it an approval, and then they're coming out a different limited editions about that. How you can actually purchase those amazing NFTs that you can see in this marketplace. Okay, so the way that you can actually purchase those amazing NFTs is by using the ERN token, which you can get on Binance or Uniswap. So let's take Binance, for example. So as you can see in Binance in here, you can purchase it very easily. All you need is to log in if you haven't already. Now, in order to purchase it on Binance, all you need is to search Binance or to click in here to get to Binance. And actually after that, you scroll down. Okay, by the way, you can see that for the past week, still going up. Now, in order to actually purchase it, you can purchase it with USD, okay, with fiat money, with USD, with euros or stuff like that. You just click in here and then you can buy with different currencies. Or the other option is actually by just buying with USDT and actually writing the amount that you want and then just click on buy ERN. Now, Shaquille O'Neal, as I said, actually he is the icon in the Areas of Dominance collection, now famous, and in the future might be much more famous because he's still going to a lot of interviews, and as you all know, he is a lovable persona. So purchasing NFT of a person that his personal brand is already big, but is growing and growing, it might be a very, very smart decision to actually has an ownership in something that related to him. You don't have to actually purchase it to make profit from it, but you can actually purchase it to support Shaq and to actually even give it as a gift. Now, the amazing thing also in Ethernity that not all projects has is that actually you can talk with them, okay? You can ask them questions, but most of your questions will be answered in their site. As you can see in here, they have their about and all of that. But in general, you can actually, if you have any issue or comment or technical concern, you can actually contact them in here and they will answer you. By the way, here are some examples of the different NFTs that are going to be featuring in the Shaquille O'Neal collection. Be sure to sign up as fast as possible by clicking the link down below. So for summary, Ethernity Chain is actually a community-oriented platform that produced limited editions of NFTs and actually providing you the ability to trade NFTs and cards that created by amazing artists and actually featuring celebrities and people that you love. And actually the ease in it is that you can actually take part of auctions, okay, or direct sales. So you don't have to directly buy something, but if you have a thought of purchasing an NFT that you think that there's a potential, okay, so you can buy into their auction, and then it doesn't have to, and it doesn't mean that there is a 100% that you will get this NFT, but you took part of it. And if there is an NFT that you're 100% sure that you want to purchase, so you can directly buy it. Now, before you actually go to Binance and actually, or Uniswap and actually purchasing ERN, get into Ethernity website, which you can get by clicking the links down below, and actually read about them and understand about how amazing this company is and what opportunity you have by getting into the auction, or at least getting the option to have a chance to win one of Shaquille O'Neal NFTs that are probably going to be priced between thousands of dollars and maybe in the future will be even tens of thousands of dollars. So for summary, if you're interested about purchasing the ERN token and actually get one or two or even more of Shaquille O'Neal NFTs, I will totally recommend you to click on the links down below, on the link down below of Ethernity.io, or just Google Ethernity.io and get to their site and sign up as fast as possible to their auction and get a chance to get one of those amazing NFTs that, as I told you, in my opinion, Shaquille O'Neal NFTs is just in the beginning. And as you all know, his personal brand and him as a person is just getting more and more famous, and his influence on people is just growing and growing. So it's possible that also everything that is related to him, like NFTs, will also grow and affect more people. So thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.